Hey everyone, welcome to week 4, episode 22 of Vlogtober. Or day 22. Episode 22? I haven't done 22 of these. That'd be crazy. Anyway, I just got finished shooting Frog at Friday for this coming Friday, and I'm shooting this now because I was getting ready to sit down, do something, and then I was like, oh, poop, I've got to vlog. I forgot. So I'm doing it now. It's like just a little bit after 8 p.m. I'm going to get this done, edited, uploaded, all that fun stuff. You know, last night when I said, yeah, I'm not going to start any new projects until some of these are done. Well, I lied. I started, let me pull up a loop here so I started on, if I can get it undone, a table runner. I didn't get very far. I mean, I got 1, 2, 3, 18. Somehow 20-ish rows done. It's like each color is 6 rows. Which is the front? This is the front. This is the front side. As you can see, close up of it. If I can stop hitting the microphone. And then we're gonna go out of focus. And then I get to shut the camera off. Oh, wait, no, I don't. Haha, it went back into focus. Usually I have to, like, hide the camera in OBS and then unhide it, and then it gets back to normal. But yeah, I just started this. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, is it 5? 1, 2, yeah, 5 different colors over here. I still have, if I can get it attached from other yarn, red to add next, and then I start the colors over again until I get the length I need. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to block this for the width because it does kind of get a little crinkly right there, but when you smooth it out, it's fine. So yeah, I probably should have made it wider. Oh well, that's what a outer border can do. Because, I mean, I still got, I'm trying to figure out which color I want to be around the outside. I was like, because I've got, like, this skein of dark brown. I've got 2 more over there. I've got 2 more orange. I got 1 yellow. I don't want yellow. And I've only got the 2. I got 1 more red. And that's it. I'm thinking, which ones do I have the most of? It's the dark brown and the orange. I'm thinking maybe I start with the dark brown, end with the dark brown, and just do a dark brown border all the way around. That I think that will work. That'll get rid of some of this yarn, because I don't want to buy, because I still have a whole. Over here, let me move out of the way real quick. That whole bottom shelf is this stuff, and I'm trying to get use it and get rid of it. I got a lot of, I got a lot of pink over there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that other than making more washcloths and stuff. I do need to make a couple more coasters so that way I can, like, have some for the desk. That way they can get washed. Because I've had this one that's over here for a hot minute and I haven't been able to wash it because I didn't have the mesh bags to launder small stuff that can get lost. And I've got 3 of them now, so that's no problem. I could just chuck them in the bag and wash them every 2 weeks or whatever when I do my laundry. So I'm going to sit and work on this until it's time to go to bed, which hopefully will be before 11 o'clock. Unlike last night. Last night I was just like, okay, I need to shoot yarn with me, edit it, upload it, get ready for tomorrow, shoot the vlog, edit it, upload it, and get it ready for public release that night. And I wasn't going to do that tonight. I was like, okay, I shot the Frog at Friday, and I was like, I'm not going to edit that until tomorrow. Because then all I have to do is shoot the vlog, and that's it. That's all I have to do. And I need to get back into doing, pre-doing stuff beforehand, so I have some space in between to, like, relax, work on my projects. I still haven't gotten that baby blanket back out here yet because I've been like doing all of this. Temperature blanket is still caught up. Yay me. Pat on the back, pat on the back. So that's going well. So I'm not worried about getting behind on that ever again. That was obnoxious. Trying to catch up 2 months because of moving, and it's just like, it just kept taking forever. And then I had to make the rest of the black blocks, and then I had to make all the gray blocks, which took a minute to get all of that done, get them put together and in baggies over there, 2 of them, ready to go for, because I've got October crochet stuff sitting over here off to the side. That way when I get it done, I can finish that and then set it aside and then get this strip put onto the blanket that I now finally have in a basket. So that's good. This project won't go in a basket because I don't have any more. I have 9 small baskets and 1 taller basket. So that's gonna take me, I'm hoping not to buy any more yarn this year because I don't need any more yarn. I've got plenty of stuff to work with. So unless I need to shoot a tutorial for something specific, which I have the yarn for anyway, so, and I need to like sit down and get that outlined for the courses and get that ready to start recording. Fun stuff. Can't wait for that to come out. And I'm thinking weekly with that until it's all done. Yep, that's what I'm thinking about doing. Yep. So that'll be a journey. We'll see how that goes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get off of here and work on my table runner for the rest of the night and not do anything else except stare at Hulu till about 10. All right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.